Wood coconut shell carbonization charcoal briquette production line. Complete production line. Check what machines we will need to use. Horizontal carbonization furnace. Charcoal powder crusher. Wheel mill mixer. Briquette machine. Air energy heat pump electric dryer. We are loading container for the customer's shipping. This is the model rated 1.5 tons per day for the output, and capacity for the briquette machine is 600 kg per hour. And this whole production line needs one full 40-feet container for loading and shipping. We are providing different capacity production line. This is one customized engine for the 220 volts for the voltage. And we also provide a bigger capacity. This is smaller drum carbonization furnace, continuously type. This is a vertical hoist type for the batch model. And this with inner stores, they can work in one by one, cooling individually. Rotary drum dryer also in our range. Smaller continuously model. Don't hesitate to contact him for more details, quotation, and solution.